Select based on neighboring elements. Say I have some numpy array nya. I know that I can easily solicit nya is greater than x to find the indices of elements that have a value above x. How can I find indices of elements where the neighboring elements are above x? For a 1D array, elements neighboring some id are id 1, id plus 1. For an array of d dimensions, I mean neighboring in any dimension. That is, let d equals 3. The neighbors from nya 2, 2, 2 are 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. For example, take here, we can graphically see the neighboring elements of 5 to be 1, 4, 6, 9. I want to be able to select based on neighboring elements. For example, I want all indices, for which a neighboring element is greater than or equal to 9. The following values would hold true in above example: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 4 does not count as I defined neighboring not over diagonals. My expected output would then be the typical binary matrix. Great if it works with any dimensions, but I need it to work at least on 3.
Get mask of elements greater than the threshold and simply use binary underscore dilation with an appropriate kernel to select north plus east plus west plus south ones, like so.
Please enjoy your product.